In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Calendar desktop shortcut. This is a convenient way to access your calendar quickly without needing to open a browser and navigate to the website each time. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Google Calendar in your browser. If you're already logged into your Google account, this should be straightforward. Simply type Google Calendar into your search bar or go directly to the URL. Once it loads, you'll see your familiar calendar view, complete with all your appointments and reminders. Next, let's focus on the browser itself. We'll be using Google Chrome for this tutorial, as it makes the process remarkably simple. In the top right corner of your Chrome browser, you'll find a small menu icon, 3 vertical dots that host various customization options. Go ahead and click on these dots to open the menu. Now that you've accessed the menu, you'll want to look for the section labeled Cast, Save, and Share. It's located halfway down the list, nestled among other useful options. Hover over this with your cursor, and a sub-menu will pop up. This pays off our setup work, allowing us to zero in on the final steps. From the sub-menu, you have a couple of choices: Install Page as App or Create Shortcut. They effectively do the same thing. Namely, they set up easy access to your calendar. Click on whichever option you prefer. This step will trigger a handy pop-up window. With this new window on your screen, you'll be asked to confirm your intentions. This is just a security check to make sure everything's good to go. Click the install button to greenlight the process. It's kind of like giving a thumbs up to the idea of quick and efficient calendar access. There's just one more click before you're done. On the confirmation page, look for the Create option and give it a click. That's the action that will put the shortcut right where you want it, whether it's on your desktop or on your taskbar. Congratulations! You should now see an icon for Google Calendar sitting proudly on your desktop screen, and it'll likely be pinned to your taskbar, making it incredibly easy to access. With a single click, you can open your calendar directly from the desktop, no more browsing to find it. So, there you have it, a straightforward way to streamline how you interact with Google Calendar, and there you go. Now you can manage your time more efficiently every single day. Thanks for joining me today, and see you in the next video.